fall isn't just about pumpkin spice lattes. It's about flannel and it's about ginger cookies. So let's do this, okay? Okay, this is what you'll need. 3/4 of a cup of butter softened, 1 large egg, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 2 1/4 cups of flour. Then we're gonna move to spices. You're gonna want 2 teaspoons of ginger, 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add the softened butter to a large bowl and the cup of sugar. Now you want to mix the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. You can use a hand mixer, but I left the butter out to keep it soft, so it's going very quickly. And then we're going to add the molasses and the egg. Now you want to mix it until it's light and fluffy. That looks light and fluffy, right? Next, you'll add your egg and 1/4 cup of molasses and go ahead and mix that up. Now you're gonna mix this together really well. And then we're gonna get the dry ingredients ready. In a large bowl, add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and mix that together. Now we're gonna add the dry mixture to our wet ingredients, and then we're gonna roll them into balls, put a little sugar on them, and bake them in the oven for about 12 minutes. I have the mixture ready, oven's ready. You don't have to do this, but I personally like to roll them into balls and roll them in a little bit of sugar. It just makes a nice little coating on the top. They're easier to manage, and then I'm gonna put them on a baking sheet and put them in the oven. I fit 16 on this tray. You get at least 30 cookies, if not more, like 3 dozen. So it just depends on what size you make these neat little balls, but you'll see, these come out the perfect size. In they go. These cookies take anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes to bake, so I like to set my timer for 11 minutes. That way I can check on them. The countdown is on. They are looking so good. You want that little crackling on the top? That's perfection. Okay, they look and smell incredible. Look at that. We're gonna take them off to cool. And you guys, they slide off so easily. That's why I like to make the cookie balls, because they come out so uniform. And that makes them really easy if you're making them for gift bags for people. You can stack them up. Look at how good these came out. Oh my gosh, they're so good, you guys. Enjoy.